Imagine walking across a dry riverbed and spotting delicate wave-like patterns etched into the stone. These are ripple marks, silent storytellers shaped by ancient winds or flowing water. Each undulating crest and trough preserves a snapshot of the environment millions of years ago. Scientists can decipher the direction of ancient currents, the depth of vanished lakes, and even the strength of prehistoric storms from these patterns. Ripple marks serve as natural time capsules, offering a glimpse into a world long gone, yet still written in stone beneath our feet.